This tutorial I'm going to show you how you can utilize the Python graph in Android Studio. So let's get started. So let me show you the Gradle file. So you need to first copy this line and define this line in plugins. Okay. Now go to build.gradle files of app level. You need to define a couple of things here. First, you need to define this. Okay, ID. Now you need to define NDK, which is required. Otherwise, Chaquopy library is not compatible with your Android Studio. Okay, and third one is like Chaquopy itself. Okay, you need to define NumPy and Matplotlib. Okay, rest of the things are same. Okay, now I'm going to show you the Python. Okay, I have created like graph.py. Okay, so this will like base directory, so this will be dynamic. Okay, so we need to pass this from Android application itself. Okay, so let me show you later. Okay, so first you need to define this. Okay, so it will set up the base directory. Okay, now this tutorial show you like line graph, bar chart, pie chart, and scatter plot. Last but not least, histogram. Okay, so I have like use dummy data for it. Okay, remember you need to draw the create a image from the Python, then it will render it on the Android side. Otherwise, it will crash. Okay. Now let me show you the Android side code as well. So first you need to check if the Python dot is started. It's not, then Python dot start Android platform. Okay, and then you need to define a couple of things here. You, as you can see here, like I have created for remember variables. Okay, line, bar, pie chart, pie, and scatter plot. Also you can say like a bar, like histogram. Okay, histogram by remember tables. Okay, now you need to define like a extra parameter here. Okay, and then you need to create like this histogram path. Okay, and then you need to find this. Okay, and then you need to run create another part which is like called histogram. Okay, now okay, got it. So I have like read the function in this. Okay, you can see here line graph should be like line graph. Okay, so it will same as defined in this. Okay, in the Python class. Okay, otherwise it will give error. Okay, now I have created a column with vertical score. Okay, and I have created 5 types of okay cards: line graph, bar chart, pie chart, scatter plot, and histogram. Okay, and then you can see here I have created this. Okay, and then create a card column and inside text which is like passing from the parameter. Okay, and last but not least bitmap itself. Okay, so let's run the application. You can see here. That's the beauty of Python. Okay. In future videos, I will show you more advanced tutorials on Python with Android Studio. Okay. Yeah. If you have any question or query, then let me know in the comments. Bye bye.